Let's look at this question now. A pitcher is filled with corn syrup and a second pitcher is filled with pure water. Half of the corn syrup and half of the pure water are poured into a large glass bowl. Next, one third of the remaining corn syrup from the first pitcher and half of the remaining pure water from the second pitcher is again poured into the glass bowl. Now the volumes of corn syrup and pure water left in the two pitchers are the same. Then the ratio of corn syrup and pure water in the large glass bowl is. Now, can you see this is a pitcher filled with corn syrup, and this is a pitcher filled with a pure water, right? Can you see half of the corn syrup and half of the pure water was poured into a large glass bowl. I have taken this as the large glass bowl. This is the large glass bowl, right? So if I have taken the half of the syrup, I'm writing what is left only, right? After first such operation, how much syrup is left? I'm assuming the volume of this pitcher as S, and I'm assuming the volume of this pitcher as W, right? So after removing half of the syrup, what is left? Half of S, correct? And after removing half of the pure water, what is left is half of water. Now after second operation, one third of the remaining corn syrup from the first pitcher, I have removed one third of the remaining was half, and I have removed this was the left, I have removed one third. So what is left now? Two third of the remaining. So now what is left? Two third of the half of the volume of this pitcher, right? आधा पहले निकाल दिया, वन थर्ड अभी निकाल दिया, तो आपके पास कितना बचा रहेगा टोटल का? टू थर्ड्स एंड हाफ, राइट? एंड सेम इज द केस विद वाटर. नाउ आई हैव one third of the remaining and half of the remaining pure water from the second pitcher. So what is left is half of the volume, right? And that is W. And now it is given that the volumes of corn syrup and the pure water left in the two pitchers are same. So I have to equate these values. These are same. These are same. So what do I get? S and W are in the ratio. S and W are in the ratio 3:4. Right? Now you can assume values that S would be 300, right? Or let me use some different pen. S would be 300, W would be 400. So first I removed 300 or half of this. So I added syrup and this is water. So 150 after first operation, I added 150 liters of syrup and the half of water, that is 200. And then I have taken the one third of the remaining, that is 50 liters, and half of the remaining, that is 100. So the total syrup inside this large glass bowl is 200 units and this is 300 units. So I need to find the ratio of corn syrup and pure water. This ratio would be 203. 200 and 300. So it would be 2:3, or option C is the correct answer.